Hey guys, this is Cory with Fun Town RV Amarillo, and today we're taking a look at one of our first 2025 models we've gotten in stock. This is the 2025 Forest River Salem, model 29BDB. This is a bath and a half bunkhouse, and if you followed my channel for a little while, you will see this is a drastic departure from what Salem has been doing previously. We're gonna do an interior and exterior walk-around video tour of this gorgeous new unit. But before we do, all the specifications will be down in the video description below this video, as well as a link to the current pricing on these as soon as it is available. That way you can check that at any time. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. And like I said, this is a drastic departure from what Salem has been doing over the years. So if you've seen even a 2024 Salem, this is night and day different compared to that. So a couple things first. If you are sensitive to flashing lights, you may want to look away for just a second. You have these big accent beams here on the ceiling. These are dimmable, which is really cool. I do really like that. And no carpet in any of these Salems. They're using the marine grade pontoon boat style flooring. They also have gone away from your traditional dinette area. So this is really cool. I have this set up today kind of in their big L lounge configuration. But you have got this kind of extendable table, kind of like what Brinkley's doing. It's very similar, so this can come out, retract back in a little bit. You got your bar stools right here. And then you still have kind of the Versa Lounge couch area. So this part here can flip around, and it will mount on these little brackets right there so that you can make this into a 4-person dining area. Now, this does have, it is a jackknife sofa, so this will turn out into an extra bed if you do need it. And I really do like to, just take a look at this. Look at this little accent lights they've got here on each side of the slide out. Plus you have some white accent lights above the slide out, which is perfect for movie time. Now, if we take a seat at the sofa here, you're not on a direct view with the TV, but you could put a swing arm mount on there. TVs don't come with these, by the way. That way you can, kind of face it towards this way. And I will tell you, this is one of the most comfortable jackknife sofas I have sat in a long time. They do use in-floor ducted heating. Now, these guys are using the Coleman air conditioner. That's 15K, and it is fully ducted. Now, you do have 2 AC runs here, so the nice thing about that is it's going to keep those hot and cold spots from forming. Now, over here on your entertainment center, of course, you do have the bracket for the TV. You can run the cables back there. And then you have a 5200 BTU electric space heater fireplace that it does have kind of the mirror-like finish on it, which is really cool. And then right over here, you have got your solar charge controller for the solar panel that is already on this one. Your JBL speaker. So this is your Bluetooth control center, basically, for your JBL sound system. And then right here's going to be your main control panel. So you got your slide out awnings, that new dimmable lighting function. Then you got your awning light, your accent light, and your water pump, plus your tank monitoring panel. So all that's right there, easy to get to. On your windows, they are heavily tinted. They do kind of have these little curtains. Now, that's not your main shade. You do have these kind of bamboo look roller shades throughout the entire unit, which is really nice, actually, with the exception of your back bunk window. But just take a look at these new colors. Let me know what you think. I think they look super rich, classy. They don't feel dark and depressing like some of the darker tones that you get in these. But yeah, so we'll come back to the kitchen here in just a moment. Let's take a look at what's going on back here. I think you're gonna like how this bunk area is set up. Okay guys, so you do have 2 privacy doors to close this off. Now you do have double bunks back here. Each bunk is gonna have a set of lights and USB ports. This bottom bunk here also is a cargo bunk, so you can flip that up as well. Now, we'll come back to the bathroom here in just a minute. But you do have some great storage there. And then you kind of have like almost another little desk area here with household and USB ports. And then you have a couple little cubbies down there, which is really nice. I really dig it. Now, coming back over here, you do have a plastic toilet. We'll sit on that here in just a minute and give you kind of an idea of space. But check out this mirror. What do you think? I think it's really cool looking, and it's just unique and something you don't see. I love the accent lights back there. Love the accent kind of wallpaper that they're doing here. GFI protected outlet, nice big countertop. This is all pressed membrane, by the way. And then you do have a nice big sink for adult-sized hands. And check this out. You've got plenty of room on both sides. Plenty of leg room if you close that pocket door there. And you got some storage for some extra teepee and stuff down there as well. So that's really, really nice. I do like that. All right. So coming out here to the kitchen area, let's take a look at this. So you have got a massive pantry behind your fireplace with all your TV connections right there. There is a motion sensor light that will turn on back in there as well. Nice big 10.7 cubic foot, 12 volt DC compressor driven refrigerator. Oh, maybe. Apparently I can't do that one-handed. Now, up in here, this is your microwave. And I love the fact that this is metal to hide it. Now, you do have some storage up above that. You also have your hood range vent right there. And what's cool is, it just looks like a normal vent right there. And that does have some really good magnet space, or magnet catches there. 3-burner cooktop with the glass cover. Oven down below in case you want to do some baking. And then right in here, you're going to have your 3 full extension plywood box, ball bearing drawer guided drawers. I'll just open one of those for you. Thermofoil pressed membrane countertops. You also have an electrical outlet there that's easy to get to. And then right here, you've got some decent, man, those are some strong magnet catches. Some decent storage here. It's not the deepest, so you could use that for like some cups and things or some smaller items. Now over here, this one is a little bit deeper, and it goes all the way back into that corner as well. Plus you got your spice rack right there too. Nice big farm style sink with the spring loaded sprayer faucet. Great right there. More electrical outlets. That is super handy to have. Here is going to be your main thermostat. Let's take a look at the master bathroom now. So coming in here, you have got a nice big shower. If we take a step up in there, I've got plenty of headroom, even without the skylight. You know, I just barely fit. If I stand up in here, I've got probably 2 or 3 inches above my head. So you can be upwards of like 6'4", 6'5". Plenty of depth, plenty of width. You do have this kind of neat shower curtain style thingy, whatever you want to call it. And then right here you have your tankless on-demand water heater controls. Now if we take a seat on the toilet here, flip this around. It's a little tight on this side, but I could definitely make it work. Plenty of room on my left, and you do have plenty of floor space for your legs if you've got long legs like I do. Good storage here, plus you do have your nice big sink, pressed membrane countertops still. You got your GFI protected outlet, another one of those really cool looking mirrors. And then you have some good linen and medicine cabinet space right there as well. Now coming up into the master bedroom, they still have the Versa tilt. So this is a king bed on an incline. So you can use this switch here to lower the bed when it's time to go to bed. That's new. Okay, so they've got strut supported hinges above here. That's some really good storage. Second AC, that's going to be a 13.5, and that is an available option. You do have a TV backer right here. Here's that Versa tilt switch, and you do have your bedroom light switch here. Big windows here. They both do open. Right here's going to be your main closet space here. And then you have your little extra storage there with a hamper. Now, what's cool, and I like what they did here. You have a nightstand over here with household and USB outlets. You're going to have the same thing back here. So you do have a shelf. There is power back there for CPAP users, things like that. Whatever you need to use it for. And then back in here, you have another massive closet with washer dryer prep. Now on this one, because you only have one closet on the side of the bed, I do not think this would be a good floor plan for a washer dryer, but it does have it. All right, guys, that is going to wrap it up for the inside of the 29BDB from Salem. Let's go ahead and we'll take a look at the outside. All right, guys, so we're on the outside of the Salem 29BDB. Starting up front here, again, new graphics package. I love the white exterior with kind of that pastel blue accent color that they have. You've got your power tongue jack, 2 20-pound propane tanks, battery and battery disconnector right up there. Coming around over here, you've got your massive pass-through storage. Now, plenty of room there. I'll show you the laundry hamper here in just a minute. Dry erase board here on this door only. And then I love these accent beam lights that they've got going on. Same thing with the awning. You don't see the individual LEDs. Power stabilizer jacks. That is an available option. We like to bring those in that way. And then you do have a enclosed and forced air heated underbelly on these Salems. Nice big power awning. You got your small little outside kitchen here with your griddle and your refrigerator. JBL speakers. You got your cold water spray port right there. Freshwater fill. Good looking fender skirting and tire package. And then this is going to be your cable and power for an outside TV. And then they go ahead and give you the bracket too, which is really nice. All of the Salems are going to use the MORryde step above steps, and you do have the larger entry assist handle, window in the entry door. Then you got your rear power stabilizer jacks, tankless on-demand water heater. New Forest River logo is looking sharp. You got your square tubular bumper for your stinky slinky. Rear ladder prep, backup camera prep, so you can get the Furrion cameras and the on-the-go ladder. Right here's going to be your 50 amp service, your cable satellite, black tank flush, and city water connection. Then you'll have one dump back here for your back bathroom. Single slide out. Again, this trailer's just looking sharp. And then you'll have a second dump right there for your front bathroom and kitchen. This does have 200 watts of solar panels up on the roof. And then right back in here, you do have your other side of your pass-through storage, and you can see that laundry hamper bag right there. So, all right, guys, this is going to wrap it up for the 2025 Salem 29BDB. If you're interested in this beautiful bunkhouse trailer and you'd like pricing and availability, or if you'd like any of the specifications on that, that'll all be down in the video description below this video, so you can check that at any time. But if you enjoyed this video, let me know what you think down in the comments. Remember, at Fun Town RV, we have the best products, best selection, and the best pricing around, and we do all of that with no hidden dealer fees. So, all right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this one. We thank you very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this RVing with Cory YouTube video. Check me out on Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. And we'll see you on the next one.